So the first thing we need to do in this spreadsheet is add a formula to cell B14 to work out the number of points earned by Blake in 100 metres based on their position in the race. And we're going to use this table over here as our tariff. So if Blake came first, they get 6 points. If they came last, they get 1 point, and so on. The way we do this is with a lookup function. So we're going to click in the cell that we want to add the formula to, and then we start off all the formula by typing an equals sign. Once we type that, we need to type in the keyword, which in this case is lookup. Then we have open brackets, and you'll notice that Excel's popped up some help, and it says lookup value array. So lookup value is going to be their position in the race, which in this case is 2. We're then going to put a comma in because we want to put the second parameter, the second piece of data, and the second piece of data is the array. You'll notice that it's highlighting it at the moment. An array is a fancy name for a table. So over here I'm going to drag over the values that we're interested in, which is all these ones in the table surrounded by the marching ants right now. And then I finish off with a bracket and I press enter, and you'll notice that it says that Blake get 5 points. Now if I click on that cell and I then do question number 2, which is replicate the formula from question 1 across to N14 and then down to N19. If I do that and I go across and then down, you'll notice that we get all these funny NA symbols. What this is saying is it can't calculate the result, and if I click on there and then I click up in the formula bar, I'll see why, and that's because it's shifted the lookup table to the right as I've moved the formula to the right. And this is because I coded the formula using relative cell addresses. What I've got to do is I've got to change the references to the lookup table to use absolute cell addresses, just as we did with the table square task. So if I click on my formula and then I go up to the formula bar at the top here, anything for the lookup table, the red stuff, needs to use absolute cell references. So I put a $sign before the Q, a $sign in front of the 14, a $sign in front of the R, and a $sign in front of the 20. I press enter, and then I can use the fill handle to copy that formula across, and then copy that formula down, and it's going to calculate the points correctly.